So hey everybody, I'm here with Gray, and how do you pronounce this? Qwilr?
Qwilr with an Australian accent, and you got
Qwilr
it.
with an Australian accent.
Yep.
So I guess I don't get that one. So anyway, tell us a little bit more
Yeah,
about
so
what you guys do.
Qwilr is a document creation tool basically made to replace old school tools like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint,
Even like Google
tools,
Google Drive.
Google Drive. Yeah, Docs.
Wow.
The Docs really haven't changed that much over 40 years. We kind of like
Basic
took
word
pen and
processing.
paper. Yeah, we took pen and paper, smashed it on the internet, and then we were like, okay, call it a day. We're done.
I agree.
And even as other customer experiences have transformed, whether on your phone reading news or
Right.
on Slack, the way you communicate with your team, like all those have radically changed with the web and with mobile apps and stuff, and documents have basically just stayed the same.
I
So
agree.
Qwilr is made to address that. With Qwilr, well, actually real quick, that's kind of where things are still at now with PowerPoint. With Qwilr, you're creating documents as web pages. So everything you create is mobile responsive. It integrates with other softwares like HubSpot, or you can embed your calendar links within Qwilr. You can have interactive quotes. Everything that you update in the document is instantly live for whenever someone
Wow.
views the link.
And it's private, I take it?
Yeah, it's private.
Okay.
You can add extra security, so whether you want to password protect documents, you can actually limit who accesses your document to a specific domain. So if you have like sensitive internal documents,
You
or
can
if
only
you
stay within the domain.
yeah,
That's
we
good.
can only stay within domain, so you verify the identity. And then of course with all this, somewhere in here is the analytics stuff. You get feedback from when people view this, so you can get notifications whenever someone views it. You can see exactly which parts of the proposal they viewed, which like right now with PowerPoint you have no idea
Right.
what slide they're on, whether or not they even opened it at all.
Would you be replacing this just for sales department or company-wide every document? Would you do your employee contract on that?
Yeah, for sure. So like sales
it's
is kind
everything.
of like our inroad. Yeah, it's everything. It's documents in a different way through the
Any
web.
persuasive documents that you wish to have on brand and kind of communicate yourself and put a
nice.
design-led approach
Comes
forward.
with
and-
templates and everything?
Yeah,
It
it comes
does.
with templates, tons of templates. You'd want to get templates set up within HubSpot. So like if I come here and I'm within HubSpot, there's going to be a little Qwilr widget at the bottom. Here you can go to create a Qwilr, and then you would just pick one of the templates that comes up, even with the slow
And
Wi-Fi
can you
here.
turn it into a PDF like an old school
Yeah,
document?
you can always export it to a PDF. Usually, if people are concerned about that, there's a link to download the PDF, so they'll just include that within the web version. And then if like someone really wants that old school PDF, they can do that.
People still
If not-
print emails. I don't know if you know this.
People still print
They
emails?
still print emails. I know a lot of guys. They print every lead out of the CRM system, and then they write notes on it. Like you can't do that in CRM.
I do like some of the tactile feedback with notes.
Oh,
Like I still
boy.
keep a journal, but
Yeah.
I couldn't imagine printing off emails.
Oh yeah.
Especially not for every lead, that would be...
Well, they do that too.
I just want to
People that
delete
do
every
that.
email. That's all I want to do.
This is not bad. How did you guys come up with this idea?
So I did not come up with this idea at all. No, Dylan. So Dylan is our co-founder. Mark is also our co-founder who's here attending the event. Do you remember? MT told me the origin story a while ago, but
He had an agency, he was producing sales proposals and had the exact pain point that our customers have. He was doing it in like PowerPoint, something like that. Couldn't create documents that looked exactly how he wanted them to do, and they weren't responsive or anything like that. So he started creating microsites for his clients,
Yeah.
but he found they took a lot of time. And so then Qwilr naturally came on from that, where you could create microsites in a matter of like minutes. And that was where the idea was born.
yeah,
I'm gonna have to check it out, you guys.
yeah.
Where do I go? Sign me up.
Qwilr.com. I'll give you. Can you snag a couple of our cards there,
Yes.
Steve? What was I going to say here? Oh, this is just pulling it up. So this would be if you created it from the HubSpot.
Pretty neat. How was the response so far?
It's been great, actually. Yeah, it's funny because like we get used to the software, and things that like used to amaze us when we started using it like a year ago don't anymore. And then when we're showing it to people, and they're like, "Oh, that's really cool," and we're like, "Oh yeah, no, that is really cool. Forgot about that."
We got past that. Thank you
There's
so
the three
much,
of us
Mark.
here today. So.
Appreciate it, brother. Have a
Thank
good
you for
one.
coming back, Sal.
Take it easy.